Hello everybody, this is Ogberi coming to you from my workshop here in sunny Florida, and this is a tangential tool holder that I just finished. I've just been playing with it a little bit and it really cuts nice. The entire tool post is leaned off at a slant, and it goes on my quick change tool post for the Taig lathe. That's just a 1/2-inch bolt secured to the cross slide that you drop a tool on, tighten the nut down, it's good to go. And just been playing with this, and it actually works surprisingly well. I've just got a scrap of aluminum here, and we're going to give this a little bit of a work and see what we get. And this is cutting dry. Really wants a little bit slower speed or a little bit more feed, so we'll give it more feed. And it's starting to weld a little bit. So we'll bring the speed down a little bit. We'll throw some cutting fluid on here. Give it a little more. And you can see the surface finish this is leaving. And it's nice. And even though the tool holder is leaning towards the workpiece, everything still clears. Let me get to the shoulder here. A little bit of chatter. Back this out. And you can see it just leaves a beautiful surface finish on this. So I'm going to go ahead and move my carriage up some. And lock it. And then we're going to take a facing cut. And again, everything does manage to clear. I'm just a tiny bit below center on this, so I'll need to adjust it here in a minute. Let's get a little more. Let's see what we get here. It's not really straining to cut this. It's cutting nice and smooth. A little bit of chatter because I think I'm a little low on the tool. So I'm going to bring my tool up a tiny little bit, and I will show you the wonderful part about this. And that's how quick the tool post change is. I can loosen the 2 button head screws here. And then I've got a grub screw here in the bottom. And I can just bump my tool a little bit higher. I'll lock it back in, put it back on, and we'll see what we get. And one of my plans is to make a height setting gauge for the lathe, so that I don't have to do this by trial and error. The tool post pretty much gets set to 90 degrees. I'm just eyeballing it for now. And just about dead on, actually. Some more cutting fluid. see how how close to center we are. Yep. Just cut the pip right off. So I can turn and face without even having to rotate my tool. And the downside, you can see it does make kind of stringy chips. You can interrupt your feed to break them, but I really don't care as long as they don't get in the way. You can see it leaves a really nice finish on that. And the great thing is my quick change tool holder. Take the tool off, put it back up here on the shelf, grab another tool, drop in place, tighten the nut down, and we're set. There's no fiddling with tool heights or anything else like that. It's dirt simple, cheap, works excellent. So that pretty much covers it for the tangential tool holder. It started life just as another chunk of aluminum like these, and it has turned into a very nice tool. I'm going to really enjoy using this. I might mill and clean this up some so I make sure that I'm out of the way and can see what's going on a little bit better. But so far, so good. I'm enjoying it, and eventually I'll get around to drawing up some plans for one. I hope everybody enjoyed it. We'll see you later. Bye.